Hey guys, so today we are gonna cook some Adobo Pusit. It's adobo squid. Alright, so I chopped up all the vegetables already, so it's all ready to go. And first thing we need to do is put some soy sauce on the squid. And mix it. Guys, next we are gonna put some oil in our pan. Alright, so our pan is hot, so we are gonna put in our ginger, and then our onions. You could put however much onions and ginger you want, but my wife likes a lot of ginger and onions, so that's why I cook it like this. And it smells way better. So now we're gonna put in our squid, our pusit. And then the rest of the soy sauce, you'll just pour it in. So we'll just cover it up and let's wait. Alright guys, so let's check it real quick. Alright guys, so let's check it real quick. So it is pretty much cooked. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna put our chili peppers, put that in, and mix it in there. It's just to add a little spice, but it's basically cooked. Let's just add that in there. And then we'll go ahead and taste it. Alright, let's go ahead and taste this bad boy. Alright guys. So that is it. Tastes good. Some peppers in there. All right. So that's it, guys. Adobo Pusit. Adobo Squid for English. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy your cooking. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.